Hey everybody, this is Brianna with WTI, and these are my Oveesha pillow covers. This 2 pack of pillow covers I have in 20 by 20 inches and in the cream white color, and I love this beautiful, super soft chenille texture. I think that's my favorite part of these pillows. It is really soft against the skin, it feels high quality and luxurious, and would look good in your living room, on your bed, or anywhere around the house that you want to put it. It has a high quality smooth zipper that allows me to put in my down pillow insert. You could definitely use any kind of pillow insert, but down definitely does give you that luxurious look. They have a beautiful white cotton thread edge that is stitched around with a blanket stitch. These are very durable pillow covers that you can even wash on delicate in your washing machine and air dry. So if you're looking for really elegant throw pillow covers for your living room or your bedroom or anywhere in your house, and you want a really nice soft texture that's going to also look good and hold up for years, then I highly recommend checking out these Oveesha pillow covers. But that's just my point of view.